I hate this place so much that all water spin on me. Who threw this? Oh, I'm all wet. Hate this place. I'm getting a 0. My camera is all wet. There's a fountain show. Really nice. That scared me. It's like a fireworks. Those are like shooting here and there. It's making shapes in the sky. Same like a rocket. I'm pretty sure we can see rainbow soon. I don't see. Well, alright. Oh! So many Kuwait flags here. It's really nice. Well, they're really good. Walking in the middle of them is more nice. Perfect win for the flags. There's so many of them. And you know the best part? YouTube ad was also made here. This whole scene came up with the drone shot with these flags right here. As I told you, I would take you to the best place. Not the best place, the special place. So this is it. This is the flags of Kuwait. They look so nice. It's a really good view from here. Okay. Beautiful scene. at it, it's so nice. This whole is a museum, a really good museum, but for now it's like closed. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of closed. So alright, so this is a really special place. Wow, it looks nice. Yeah, it's all the way till there. So let's end the video right here. So bye guys. Place is speechless. It's really cool looking, futuristic. So bye.